Oh, we are about to get so bougie. Hello, my cute little internet friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. I love thrift shopping so much. It has become an actual addiction for me, which maybe is a problem, but thank you to our sponsors today. It has made it so much more accessible. That's right, today's video is sponsored by thredUP, and if you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that I am literally obsessed with thredUP. I recently did a video that was not sponsored by them, but simply just because I love them and I use their service all the time. But today we're going to try something new. I'm going to be thrifting brands that I normally can't afford. Now I want to preface this by saying, sure, I mean in theory I could afford, right? Like I could buy a $300 Juicy Couture top, but it's not the best idea for my pocketbook. You know what I'm saying? There's a difference between being able to and being responsible, and I choose to be responsible, so that's kind of where I'm coming out with this video. It's all for fun, so I hope that you enjoy this. So yes, all of these clothes came from thredUP, and if you are unfamiliar, thredUP is not your typical thrift store. It is the ultimate online thrifting experience, in my personal opinion, where you can get up to 90% off of your favorite brands and bougie brands like this top, which is Juicy Couture, which I will talk about shortly, and stick around because I have a promo code for you, but yeah, thredUP has over 40,000 brands on there, and they put out new items every day. I honestly get a lot of joy out of just hanging out on thredUP. Like I'll have a cocktail, and I'll just online shop and put things in my cart. It's a whole experience, and again, I'll leave the link for the video I did last time where I kind of explain more how I use the service and why I love the service so much, but I am truly a fangirl of thredUP. So if you are inspired by my enthusiasm and you want to shop yourself, use the code Lisbug to get 30% off your first purchase, which is a lot because there's already so many discounts on there. All right, let's just jump in. I'm already wearing an outfit that I thrifted that I'm pretty obsessed with. I couldn't contain myself, so come on into my closet and check it out. All right, party people, welcome back to my closet. You've been here before. It's great to see you, but you have not seen me in such fancy clothes before. That's right, this outfit would normally cost more than most of the items in my closet. Like I mentioned before, this is a Juicy Couture top. I don't think I've ever owned anything Juicy Couture, although maybe once in high school I had like the sweatsuit and it was like a big splurge. Anyways, this top is awesome. I feel like it's so versatile. I can definitely wear something underneath it when it's a little bit cooler, but come spring and summer, especially here in LA, like I just think it's so cute. I know sweater vests are really in style, but I have to say, I would never ever buy this at full price. This estimated regular cost was $286. I'm sorry, nothing is that cute. I mean, this is cute, but like not that cute. I got this for $51.99 on thredUP, and I just feel like I can wear this like forever. All seasons, cute, 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 soft. I'm obsessed. I'm definitely gonna keep this. Now these pants, I'm pretty pumped about. I'm always excited when I find a pair of pants that fit me because pants are hard just in general, but as a short woman, it's really hard. These are a petite size, which is so exciting. It's a 2 petite. These are Ann Taylor Loft, which isn't like the bougiest thing, but what I think about Ann Taylor is like, it definitely is overpriced for what it is. For example, these pants were originally estimated at, let's see, $60, and I got them for $12.99, okay? So yes, they might not be super fancy because they were only $60 at Ann Taylor Loft, but I feel like, first of all, paired together, and also for like $12.99, get out of here. I love a corduroy. I love the color. They're perfect for like, again, spring and summer. That's kind of what we're going for here. I don't know about the pairing of the white Birkenstocks with them. I thought maybe my Converse would look cute. I guess it just depends like where I'm going. But I just think that this is so fun. I also can definitely mix and match these pieces with other items. Like this would basically look cute with anything, and same with these pants. I think I had a pair of pants like these when I was a teenager. Yeah, I don't know, this is just like retro chic and I'm like into it, and I do actually feel fancy about wearing this top. You can tell the quality of the top too, so like in theory I understand why people spend so much money, but I couldn't. But now I can, thanks to thrifting. Really, thrifting is where it's at. Cute. Okay, we have so much more to get through. Let's put together another outfit. All right, this outfit is giving me, I'm a young exec in New York, so I need to be practical but put together. Check it out. How cute is she? I'm like loving that I'm pairing this with little sneaks. Like, you know, I just like gotta go get lunch on my break, but I need to be practical but also be cute. But here's this next outfit. I actually think it's so cute. I was gonna pair it with like fancier slides, which definitely I could do if I was going out to dinner or whatever, or had a meeting, but something fun about just wearing kicks with an outfit like this, like just wearing casual shoes with some dress pants. Let me tell you about these items. This top is amazing. It's the brand Frame. I've never bought anything from Frame because get this price gouge, okay? The estimated retail price of this Frame top, this top, which is very nicely constructed, but it was $248 estimated retail cost. $248 for this? I mean, okay. Thankfully, however, on thredUP, I got it for $52.99, which is a lot better and seems a lot more reasonable for this. And I will wear this top literally all the time. Like, I have been looking for a sort of balloon sleeve type of top. I can put a vest over it, or I can wear it under overalls. You know I love that. It's just like the ideal puff sleeve top. And I feel like I can style this so many different ways, so I'm pretty excited about it. I also like the length of the sleeves. Again, I love this, but who would ever spend almost $300 on it? To me, that's insane and totally bougie. These pants, okay. These pants are a brand called Casper. Never heard of the brand, but I was really just excited by the cut of them, and they fit perfectly. So they're this high-waisted trouser pant, dress pant. But the exciting thing for me is that they were in a petite. So the length is perfect. Everything on them is perfect. They were originally estimated at $119 and I got them for $33.99. I mean, to get a perfectly tailored pair of pants for that price is out of control. So cute, so versatile. I love the navy blue. I feel like dress pants you often think are going to be in like black or gray. So this is a really nice alternative. Can obviously dress this up, dress it down. It's just like one of those good things to have in your closet at all times. Both of these items, I feel like are staple items, but they're also like chicer than most staple items because they cost so damn much. Yeah, I'm excited about this. I feel like, again, I can style this forever and ever, and these are just good go-to pieces. Like, in theory, I understand why these brands are so expensive. They're like so cute and so constructed so well, but good God almighty. I feel like I'm killing it so far. Let's keep going. Okay, so on thredUP, I've mentioned this before, but you can like heart different items and then it like puts it into like a little favorites folder for you. You can keep it all there and keep an eye on it. You can see if it's in someone's cart and totally panic. You can see if it's been sold. You can see if the price drops on it, and it's just like kind of part of my little routine when I go to play on the app. I just like heart a bunch of stuff. And this is one of those shirts that's been in my favorited folder for so long, and I'm so excited to finally have it, and it is just as cute as I was hoping it was gonna be. So let me explain it to you first. This is a Joe's jeans shirt. This originally was $83, okay? I would never, ever, ever pay $83 for this, but you know how much I would pay for it, and I did pay for it? $11.99, and it is worth all $11.99. Take a look. She is cute. She's just the perfect throw-on black t-shirt, but I like, first of all, I like the crop length of it. It's perfect for a short gal like me, and also with all these high-waisted pants. I actually did thrift these from thredUP. I don't have the details on them. They're in my last video. But this is like a perfect outfit just if you want to throw on something to go to the store. I didn't put on shoes, but I would definitely pair this, I mean, honestly, probably with Birkenstocks, because that's like all I'm wearing these days. But if I really want to be cute, I can put on some slides. Cute. I don't know, I feel like there's so many different ways to style this shirt. It definitely will look cute with like a leather jacket over it if you wanted to dress up and go out, you know, all those nights of going out. It's just the perfect shirt, but again, $89 is insane. Joe's jeans, I would never pay that much for it. Again, I'm feeling like super bougie in these clothes, but no one needs to know that I only paid $11.99. Actually, everyone needs to know. That's why I'm making this video, because you guys should all be able to do this yourself. It's so fun. I know I should probably wear a black bra underneath this, but yeah, cute. I just think it's perfect, and I will definitely wear this all the time. You look cute with a skirt also. Just, you know, your basic black top, but the material is nice. Of course, this detail just kind of amps up a regular black t-shirt. And I can wear this under overalls. You know, that's how I determine whether I like something. Can I wear it under overalls? I'm like out of breath, which is like really sad. But here we are. But at least I'm wearing a fancy shirt. Okay. All right, this is giving me like prep school vibes, and I am not mad about her. Check out this vest. I am pairing it with clothes that I wear all the time, and I just feel like it definitely elevates the outfit. Like this elevates a regular shirt and jeans situation, and I am feeling really cute. You guys know me, like it takes me a while to put together an outfit and make it work, and then once I do, I wear it all the time. This is going to be one of those outfits. Literally throw this on over a t-shirt and jeans, and you're good to go. You could also wear a collared shirt underneath, which would be cute, or I could just wear it as is. Let me tell you about this top. It is by far one of the more expensive things we've tried on. This is an Alice and Olivia top. I remember going to the store and checking out all the Alice and Olivia stuff. I'm obsessed with literally all of it, all their dresses, everything. That brand is so cute and so insanely expensive. I've never owned anything from them before because the price points to me are outrageous. This estimated retail price was $242. Girl, $242 for this. I mean, she's cute, but like not $242 cute. So I thrifted this for $47.99, which is far more in line with my budget. You know, I had the intention of trying a bunch of stuff on and then just returning it because they have a good return system. But now that I'm looking at this, I'm like, I can't not keep this. This is so cute. I'm gonna wear this throughout all of spring. Like, this is a perfect spring outfit. I obviously love this color. And again, the quality is like so good that this will last forever. So, oh God, she's cute. I'm like just living for it. I feel cute. Like I wanna wear a backpack with it. You know what I mean? So cute. So cute. Obsessed. Ah, love it. Literally just adding this one piece to the rest of my wardrobe changes the game. And I'm so excited about it. All right, the grand finale. I have been eyeing this item for a really long time, and I'm really excited to try it on, so let's get to it. Have we saved the best for last? Perhaps we did. Check out my new jumpsuit. She is everything to me. I feel like I'm about to go to like a swap meet and get like all the furniture and then come home and flip it and design it. I mean, really, I look far cooler than I actually am. Oh yeah, I'm very excited about her. I feel like if ever a jumper was made for me, it's this one. Woo! And of course, I must pair it with my fanny pack because that's how I do it. Let me tell you a little bit about this jumper though. This is the ultimate steal. All right, this is a Cynthia Rowley, and before I bought this, I actually Googled it just to see what other people wearing it look like. I do that often. And Miss Cynthia Rowley herself was rocking this out, and she looked so good. And I was like, I need that. Okay, the estimated retail cost of this here thing was $395. Not to say Cynthia ain't great, but I got this for $66.99, and oh, yeah, I feel like I scored so big. There's different ways to style this, but I kind of feel like this is the most fun version I could come up with at the moment. I look like a chic painter. I don't know. I'm into it. Maybe it's not your style, but I just think it's so cute. I love the yellow and pink flower detail. It's perfect for the spring. I mean, these roll down, but I liked rolling them up, and I even like rolling the pants up a little bit. This is an extra small, and I just feel like it fits pretty perfectly. This is a great like Sunday, let's go to the farmer's market kind of thing. I feel artsy, I feel trendy, but I also feel extremely comfortable and obviously very fancy. I love it. I like also look like I can work on the Jungle Cruise, but you know, I think there's different ways that I can play around with this. Some white kicks would work, without this would obviously work as well, but it's just kind of fun playing around for the first time with it. So there you go. Listen, I understand why expensive brands are what they are for the most part. Like all the quality of all these clothes have been so good, but there's literally no need to pay full price when you can just thrift them. And there's a filter system on thredUP that I use, and I always click on like new or new with tags. So you're basically getting brand new clothes for so much cheaper. I can't recommend it more, and I genuinely really love and always use this service. Wait, I'm also giving myself Princess Leia vibes. Oh yeah, this is actually like a good cosplay Princess Leia. Wow. Okay, anyways, yes, thank you thredUP so much for sponsoring this video. I truly just love you and use you all the time, so this worked out really well for me. And again, it works out really well for you guys if you want to give it a try. Use the code Lisbug to get 30% off your first purchase. All right, y'all. Make sure to follow me on Instagram to see how I continue to style these outfits, and let's do this again soon, shall we? I mean, I know I had a good time. Thanks for watching, guys. You're cute. See you next time. Bye. No, really, actually, Princess Leia vibes. I've never even seen Star Wars, but, you know. Also, side note, I'm just about to go edit this video, and I put on these just like sweats around the house outfit, and everything I'm wearing is from thredUP, so there you go.